is someone who can replace Lacey, someone who can be there for me, laugh at my jokes.
Has to be.
And they have to have talent. They have to have talent.
Yeah, but they also have to be really.
All right, bring in the first guy.
First guy.
This could end really bad.
Yeah, well,
this could be a.
Oh, this could be a major order. If it is, bro, it's evac. Bro. I got the tool on it. Yeah. Let's see, bro. I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm dead ass excited.
Oh, what's up, boss?
Oh, what's happening? What's happening?
Hold on.
Okay, what I do? Sit right here, stand up.
You can stand up.
Right here.
He looks a little bit like Lacey.
Wait, so.
Lacey better look good.
Oh, yeah, that's him right there.
Oh, no.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
My name's JR.
JR.
Yeah.
JR. Is that an acronym? Does that stand for something?
Something that stands for just right.
Well, just right. Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay. What do you do? What do you do for fun? Like anything?
Man, I hit the comedy club. I hit the bars.
Wait, do you do comedy?
No, I don't do comedy, but I watch it and laugh off of it.
Oh, okay. Well, my friend used to be pretty. He was kind of funny, not really.
Not that much.
Do you got any jokes you could tell us, maybe?
Starting with him, you said I look like him, like y'all did me like the front, the cover of Young Thug album.
Oh, that's relevant, bro.
Y'all
That's
did me
relevant,
all
bro.
that. This little line off, I can cuss, right?
Yeah.
His little line all up. Y'all see my right? Like, leave the line. You already know. I don't look nothing like him. He ain't even got no facial hair.
He is sharp.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, what's happening?
If you lost a little bit of weight, right? Would you switch up on me?
Switch up how?
Like you just stop hanging around me, get a girlfriend.
Oh yeah, do you have a girlfriend?
He got a few. He got a few. And I know
Yeah, I got a few.
Okay. You got any questions?
I ain't gonna switch up on you, though. I'm gonna just have you on some other broads.
Ooh.
Okay.
I like him.
Yeah,
I like this.
You might be.
You like me when I walked in.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I like his energy too, man.
Do you go to the gym?
A little something. Yeah.
Like, are you looking to lose weight, or are you happy where you're at?
No, I'm just toning up. I ain't losing nothing.
Okay, that's not
No,
bad,
you can't confuse me with him.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Lost his weight, switched up.
We can tell who's who.
Yeah.
We're gonna tell you. All right. Any other questions?
I think I'm good.
Yeah. All right. That's good for number one.
It's good.
Yep.
See,
Thank you so much.
We'll see him at the end.
We're gonna act all out at the end.
Yeah, at the end.
We'll see you at the end, then, sir.
See you at the
Yes,
end.
sir.
What was your name again?
JR.
JR.
See, yeah, I thought you remember that
Just
name.
right.
Just right.
Just right.
Just right.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, be safe, my boy.
Hey, I like
Was he wearing American Airlines merch? You guys noticed that?
Nope, not having a mirror.
Okay.
Not having a mirror.
Why?
Well, because we're trying to find a Lacey. Hey, what's up, bro?
How you doing?
Yeah. What's up, bro? You kind of look like Lacey too. Yeah, he kind of a little bit. Yeah.
What's your name?
Oscar, Ozzy, bro.
Ozzy. What do you do for fun?
For fun?
Yeah.
Food depends. Concerts. I like to cook. We make you a dang ass burger. You know, smash burger style.
Shit, you do that?
You like fettuccine? I do Alfredo. I be cooking the hood, bro.
Hey, oh, he an eater.
I don't just eat, bro. I be cooking, bro.
He be cooking and then
Really to
eating.
cook?
Yeah.
What's your favorite meal to cook?
Definitely, you know, the simplest is gonna be a burger. But my favorite meal is gonna be some pasta, bro. Some fettuccine, shrimp Alfredo. I do a garlic Asiago, but with.
I don't even know what
What is that? I thought that was in a bowl. They made an Asiago bowl.
Oh, they got Asiago cheese, bro. Asiago is a cheese.
That's acai.
Acai is
Oh,
berry.
ocelot. Nigga, I thought that was in Minecraft.
That's a bowl, bro.
Okay, my
That's
bad,
how you
bro.
bowl. Yeah, you're good though. You're good though.
So what brings you here, huh?
Hey, man, I'm big. And I like to eat. You like to eat? Yeah.
I like to
I
eat.
love to eat.
I love to eat.
So we ain't gonna starve. We don't starve. We
The
don't
problem is right now I'm trying to find a replacement for one of my friends. And right now, man, it's just not, he's not giving, guys.
Hey, you're not giving Lacey right now.
Yeah,
You're giving Ozzy, and which is great. I love Ozzy, but I'm looking for Lacey.
Yeah,
Where? What's the vibe?
We need a loser.
Yeah.
Like, we need someone, because you seem like someone who could cook. Trust me,
That's
it's great.
talent.
That's
That's
great.
talent.
Awesome.
But like, we need someone who's gonna walk in here. They're a bum.
Yeah.
They're fat as.
Yep.
All they do is eat.
Yep.
They got no aspirations. They got nothing.
Yep. A girl throws food at you, you dumb ratchet.
Yes.
That's what you
Wait,
gotta
let me ask
say.
that, right?
let's say you hanging out with a girl.
Yeah.
All of a sudden she starts twerking on her convertible Porsche, right?
Okay.